Good morning, good morning. Oh God. Oh, so today is going to be what I call my double hustle day, y'all. So I gotta get this going, get me a little brew going. I'm probably gonna put this on ice and drink this as I go. I'm gonna let it cool off, so that'll be okay. You know Christmas.
Hey player, what you gonna get for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy?
So it's hella early. It's 6 in the morning. Today is a double hustle day. I just threw on my hair, brushed my teeth. I gotta do my brows, so let me do that and I'll be back and explain what I'm talking about. So this is how I maintain life, y'all, to maintain almost that 70-pound weight loss. This is my black coffee, and my creamer is going to be my caramel premier protein shake. So I'm just gonna do that, put a little ice in it, and I got to hit another Vlogmas uploading as I go. I have me a quick little beat on my face. Y'all, these vitamins are essential to my everyday routine, being from job to job. Grab my cup and so out the door I go. I know y'all see that, all that ice. Being an amputee, honey, is challenging, but the show must go on, so I just gotta weather through it. I'm out of breath before I can go anywhere. Y'all had to knock all that ice off top of my car. Gee whiz.
Gift of the week deals at Walgreens. What up, gang? Good morning, Headcrack. Good morning, Ricky. Good morning, America.
Spot number 1, aka where I work, and y'all, it's truck day, so we're gonna be busy. I normally close on truck day, but they switch our days due to the weather, and I'm here. Let me tell you how God worked out for me, right? So I felt like I should have left my house 10 minutes before I did. Sat in traffic, got my Victoria's Secret tote bag because I have to change clothes. Got here clocking a minute early. Yes. So when I normally gotta change clothes, I bring one of my Victoria's Secret totes in there, put my all black in there, and now I gotta go up front. They probably just want me on the register while they bust down the truck, and that's cool with me. So what I'm currently doing is, as a cashier, the front end is yours. So all the smoke section, the Nicorettes, you know, all that stuff, the cigarettes, the candy, that's all my area. So I'm working my break pack boxes. And again, truck day is very busy, but I haven't been here since 6 o'clock this morning. These people driving me crazy. Truck day, putting up truck, bringing up eggs. I done bust down so much break pack boxes. I think I still work at Walmart. But it's time for me to go. I got to go. So a quick outfit change and out the door we go. Hustle spot number 2. Okay, so I just got in the mall to my other job. So double hustling all day. You know, you definitely got to have your energy and get your rest, which I didn't, because I got off last night about 10:30. By the time I got home and got settled, I didn't go to bed till about 2, but you know what? I keep it pushing. And even being an amputee, I'm a firm believer in only person to stop you is you. Have faith, believe, get out there and make it happen. It is 6 o'clock. Time to get off, y'all. Victoria's Secret. It's been real today. So today, I was in charge of the panty area, y'all. So I kept the panty area nice and clean, or at least to the best of my abilities. And Customers like to look good in their pink merchandise, so you gotta do what you gotta do. But now I gotta meet my homegirl for dinner and drinks. It's much needed. Oh, and it's payday. When I got off, I decided to take advantage of our extra 50% off and got my mom some pajamas. Ain't that cute, y'all? Y'all, this has truly been a 6 to 6, actually. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Long day, but I made it through. I mean, some people vlog their everyday life, and some people really don't need to because they don't have much going on. Like me, you do kind of like the average stuff, but I'm beyond average when I go out of town and turn up. I feel like those kind of vlogs better. So if I bring y'all any vlog, I'll be turned. But this everyday working and just vlogging like your life is so popping. It's a lie, sis. Oh, sorry, y'all. I waited all day to eat and ate 4 wings, drink some lemonade, and I am sleepy. Lashes off, contacts out, and I gotta wash my face, and that's gonna be it for the night. So I'll see y'all on 12 Days of Christmas.
Hey player, what you gonna get, huh, for Christmas?
Charging mine up.